Hello, in this lesson I want you to multiply a polynomial by a monomial. I want you to solve equations involving products of monomials and polynomials. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to distribute. That's all you're going to do when you take a monomial times a polynomial. Remember, when we multiply the numbers, we add the exponents. So negative 3 times 7 is going to be negative 21. I have x squared and x squared, so I have a total of 4x, so x to the fourth. Negative 3 times negative x, and negative times negative is a positive. 2 plus 1 means we have 3 x's. So x to the third. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12x squared. And we're done. Now on the next problem, we're going to multiply, then we're going to simplify. So first off, we're going to distribute the 2p in the first parentheses. So 2p times negative 4p squared is negative 8p to the third. Because we have 1p and 2 more p's gives you a total of 3. Plus 10p squared. Because p times p is p squared. Now let's distribute the negative 5. So negative 5 times 2 is negative 10p squared. And negative 5 times 20 is negative 100. Now notice you only have p cubed. You don't have any other terms with just p cubed, so I'm just going to rewrite that as negative 8p cubed. Then we're going to combine in like terms. 10p squared minus 10p squared, they cancel. So that's 0. So then we're going to say minus 100. And there's your answer for that expression. Now if we take a look at this application problem, it says admissions to the super fun amusement park is $10. Once in the park, riders ride an additional super rides. Try that again. Once in the park, super rides are an additional $3, and regular rides are an additional $2. Write an expression of when goes to the park and rides 15 rides, of which S of those F15 are super rides. Find the cost if Winone rode 9 super rides. So let's start with our polynomial. We're going to say the cost. We're going to pay $10 no matter what. Then we're going to pay $3 for each super ride. In each super ride, that's S because we don't know how many they are. And we're going to pay $2 for each regular ride. But now I know we have a total of 15. So we're going to say 15 minus S. Because we're going to take away the number of super rides. So now let's distribute. And we're going to get 10 plus 3S plus 30 minus 2s. Then we combine in like terms. 10 plus 30 is 40. And 3s minus 2s, well, that's plain old plus s. So that's a polynomial. Now we can find the cost if she rode 9 super rides. So that'll be 40 plus 9, which is 49. That's how much she spent at the amusement park that day just for the rides.